Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description below. I know y'all getting tired of hearing that, but get those numbers and call them every day. Blow those numbers up. Let them know your thoughts, and don't be nice. The stimulus check, 2,000 plus, what I'm always talking about, I am so optimistic about getting. Y'all, we're going to get it. Just hang tight. I know hanging tight is what we've been doing for months, and it's getting harder to hang tight every day. But what choice do we have? We can't do nothing about it. But I am positive in my heart and mind that we will get 2,000 plus. Even though the House and Senate are out on recess, they say they'll still be working. Now, a lot of people are asking, why are we still making videos, stimulus check updates videos, while they're out on recess? This is the reason why. They're still working while they're out, and little tidbits of information comes out. That is why we're making these updates. Now, if somebody don't want updates every day while they're out, they come back in 2 weeks, so I'll see you then. I hope you come back every day, though. 5 reasons why I think a new stimulus package and check will pass. The first reason is obvious. It's the most obvious of all. The stimulus check was not enough before. More is needed. That's pretty obvious. Number 2, enhanced unemployment is slated to go away. The $600 boost every week is slated to go away, and they're thinking about replacing it with a $300 to $400 boost that will be faded out over time. Number 3, second wave of COVID is slowing down opening of our country. We still have businesses that's going out of business, will never come back. We still have people that's losing everything they own, losing their homes, losing their marriages, losing their lives, don't know where the next meal is coming from. So therefore, another round of stimulus is necessary. Number 4, it's election season. Both parties wants to look good, and the longer they wait closer to election, they think they'll look better. They're going to look bad if they wait until the last minute. But they think they're going to look better, and they want to outdo each other. One party wants to be better than the other party. Number 5, another stimulus package will be needed to soften the blow to small business, as more and more businesses will be going out of business. They are working on more grants, more PP loans, and etc. to help them. These 5 reasons alone are enough to say, yes, there will be another stimulus package and check passed. The big question is when. Now, the talk is it won't happen until September. Personally, I think it will happen mid-August. But they will get it past mid-August. We won't see it until the first part of September. Now, this is all my opinion. Nothing is set in stone. It's my opinion, and you know everybody's got one. So take it for what it's worth. Y'all, I asked y'all yesterday about a new YouTube channel for my daily blogs. Should I do it on a new channel or should I do them right here? And I would say 90% of the people that answered said do them right here. So that's what I will be doing. So y'all be watching out for those. They will be coming soon. I'm not sure if I'm going to do them every day or twice a week. I'm not sure yet. We'll just have to see how the cookie crumbles on that. Y'all be sure and get those phone numbers and come back every day. My videos are released every morning at 6 a.m. So y'all come back until then and just know I love you all. Ciao.